Hi guys, welcome to my channel. And you can see this is thumbnails, like this is totally driver issue. So guys, open any browser, then enter your model number of your graphic card, your motherboard, and if you are display driver, we need to install the display driver. Okay, suppose you are using the NVIDIA graphic card, so search on NVIDIA driver download and go to this NVIDIA official website, click on it, then accept all. Scroll down, sorry, select category which is you using. Okay, otherwise you can search directly your model number. Okay, you can enter also serial number, then which is using Windows 10. Okay, languages if you want to, then to close search. And suppose you don't have any graphic card and you are using only motherboard to connect to your display, so no worry about it. In the Google search box to type this model number, okay, of your motherboard, and then type um, uh, driver download. Okay, if you confused, no worry, check the descriptions, have a link, you fill out form. So I will and you what is your requirement and which type of your problem, so I will make new video and I will reach out to you as soon as possible. Okay, so NVIDIA Studio driver, and this is game. So both installations ready and size we can see. So click to view, and this is you can download. So after that it will start downloading, and it will take some time and depend about your internet internet speeds, because of nearby 1 GB size, 933 MB. And if any other issues related this, so you can comment me, I will reply. And this is one more options, if you don't unavailable to find, so get the automatic driver update. So click to NVIDIA app and it will download, and if it will scan automatic to your requires driver to your system. And this is so easy process. So it is completed, then click on it, then click yes for the administer access for installation, then click to OK. Now this is extracting first. So now this is page start is completely, then next to install and then restart your system, guys. Thank you.